Start by getting both feet up onto the box. One leg at a time, step backwards off the box, aiming to keep a slightly inclined torso to ensure your lateral glutes are doing their job of keeping the knee under control. Depending on your strength, stability, and control, you can opt to either keep constant tension by barely tapping the rear foot, if at all, before returning back to the top, or if that's too challenging, set your foot down, reestablish your balance and control, and return back to the top. Another note here is to be sure to grip your toes of the standing leg into the box to ensure stability and balance. If balance is challenging for you here, it's alright to hold on to something as needed so you don't fall. This would be a wall, a PVC pipe, a wooden dowel, or pretty much anything in between. Double check your reps or time, repeat in an alternating or single leg fashion depending on what's laid out in your program, and get after it.